Hello, this is Canon Vickery, and today we're going to be doing our Windows Server 3 activity, Activity 6.6, installing a failover cluster. For this activity, we're going to be using all three of our servers, Server 1, 2, and 3, and make sure that they are all turned on and running, as we are going to be using a little bit of everything on them. Well, not a little bit of everything, very, very specific things involving failover clusters. So to start off, make sure that you're logged in as administrator on your server 2, and then come to your tools, and go to Failover Cluster Manager. And then from in here, from this manager, we'll create a cluster. Go ahead and click Next. Our server name is going to be 412 Server 2. Add that. And then we're going to add a second one, 412 Server 3. Click Add. Then we'll go to Next. Our cluster name is going to be Failover 1. And then we'll add an address, 10.12.1.150. Go ahead and click Next. And then now we're at the part where we're ready to create a cluster. So go ahead and click Next and let it get started. And this process tends to take a couple minutes. And so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video for sake of uploading and efficiency. Alright, so it's done now. So we'll go ahead and hit finish. And we'll give our manager a second to catch up to everything and put the new failover 1 cluster that we just created on. So now from here, we're going to confirm some things that are working right. We'll open up our menu here, come down to our nodes. You see our 412, our server 2 and our server 3 that we added are both here. Come to our storage, to our disks. We see different disks that we've created are here. Our cluster disk 1 has been chosen to be the disk witness in our quorum. If we come here to network, we see our cluster network 1, our cluster use, it has been set to cluster and client. And that's just because we have a single NIC configuration. If we had a 2 NIC configuration, one of the networks would be listed as internal. But we can go ahead and close out of here. If we come to our server 1, come to our tools, users and computers. Come to our computers, we see our failover 1 has been completed, has been created here. And then if we come to our DNS, come here to our 1.local, we see that our failover 1 host A record is being created here as well, our 10.12.1.150. So yeah, that's going to be all for this recording for this activity. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.